room is quiet, the shadows fall. Your picture's smiling on the wall, but the silence is so deafening now. I'm trying to breathe, but I don't know how. The jacket left upon the chair, I keep looking back, expecting you there. They say that time will heal this pain, but right now it feels like endless rain. The world keeps spinning, blind and cold, without your hand for me to hold. And I'll hold on to the echoes of you in the empty spaces in the grave.